Hi children, this is Deepika baskar from G.K.Jain school. Today I am going to take class for 5th standard, subject science, and the lesson name is matter and material. Yesterday we have seen about the matter. What is matter? Anything that occupies space is called matter. Whatever it may be a solid, liquid or gas. Matter is classified into 3 states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous states. Everything around us is matter. The book that we read, the air that we breathe, the water that we drink, etc. These are all comes under matter. These are all made up of matter. So, whether a thing is living and non-living things have weight and it occupies space. That we say everything that has weight and it occupies space is called matter. For example, solids, it's like a table or a book. Then liquid, water, milk, juices are all liquids. Gaseous state, that the hydrogen gas, LPG gas, these are all comes under the gaseous state. Now we are going to see about the materials. Now we are going to see about the materials. What does mean by material? Everything in universe is made up of something. For example, the sun, moon, river and rocks. All these are materials, natural materials. They are found in nature. They are not made by man. The hut, car, house and machines. These are all made by man. These are all man-made things. These are the examples for man-made things. The sun, moon, river and rocks are the examples of natural materials. These are the man-made materials. These materials are made by the man. We make things for our use. Many times a natural material like clay is used to make man-made material like bricks, pots, lamps and all. Similarly, glass, plastics, rubber, leather, sand, metal, paper, cement are different materials that we use to make different things. Materials have certain properties which decide for which products they can be used. Often one object can be made with different materials. For example, I tell you children, a chair. It could be made of wood, plastic, cane, etc. Now we are going to see about the fibers. What is mean by fibers? I'll tell you the example. The clothes we wear are made up of fibers. That is fabrics. The fabrics are made up of fibers. Fibers are of two types. The first one is the natural fiber and the second one is the man-made fibers. That is artificial fibers. Natural fibers which are obtained from the natural resources. For example, cotton, linen, jute, coil, etc. are obtained from the plants. Wool and silk are the fibers obtained from animals. Now we are going to see the man-made fibers, that is artificial fibers. It is also called as synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers, which are man-made fibers. It is made by the man. So it is called as man-made fibers. For example, rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic. Synthetic fibers are made by the use of chemicals. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. These units are called monomers. The meaning of mono is a single. Mono means single. Mer means unit. So it is called as monomer. Certain fibers are made of many units joined together and form a large unit. These are called polymers. So many units are joined together and form a large unit. These are called the polymers. Poly means many. Poly means many or more. Mer means unit. For example, cotton is made up of glucose and cellulose. I'll tell you the example for the polymers, that is cotton. Cotton is made up of glucose and cellulose. Cotton is a natural fiber which obtained from the cotton plant. Cotton plants grows in a black soil. It prefers warm weather is good for cotton. The black seeds grow to become small plants. Buds grows into beautiful flowers. They give way to the hard-shelled lemon-sized fruit that is very hard. On maturity, the fruit, it bursts open to reveal the soft, delicate and fluffy cotton balls. It is white in color. These cotton balls, which have seeds, which are covered by the cotton fibers. How do we get cotton fiber from the cotton ball? It is a long manual procedure from the cotton threads. Now, shall we move on to the cotton plant? A cotton plant is a bushy plant of 5 to 6 feet high. Cotton grows well in black soil and the alluvial soil. The cotton plant bears a large number of small green pods called cotton balls. These balls contain seeds covered with white fibers. These white fibers are called as cotton. These are the fruit of the cotton plant. When the cotton plant balls mature, they burst exposing the white fiber of cotton. Cotton is usually handpicked from the plants. In this, we have some procedure how we are getting the cotton fibers from the cotton plant. Now, we are going to see the next natural fiber, that is jute fiber. Jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. Jute plant has long, soft and shiny fibers. It is also referred as golden fibers because of the color. Thank you, children.